Hi everyone. This week we have a discussion board that's a little involved that requires you to make a presentation, kind of like we were in a class and you were presenting a PowerPoint, but since we're online, you're going to be presenting it in a discussion board. So it's called Major Career and Plan Ideas. So this is how this works. You need to download Screencast-O-Matic, which you can Google Screencast-O-Matic. It's very easy to find. It's right up here. You can see the Screencast-O-Matic in my web browser there. You're going to get a screen recorder, and you're going to be able to make an account. It's free. So then after you make an account, it's going to have you launch your free recorder. So you're going to launch your free recorder, and it's going to end up recording your screen just like I'm recording my screen right now. So I'm recording whatever is on my screen right now to show you. So this is the Screencast-O-Matic, and it's exactly what you're going to do. So the instructions for the discussion board include creating a presentation with the following elements: your name, future job description and duties, required education, this is for the career that you select, relation of your education to your 4-year plan, that's the one we did previously. In another week, we did a 4-year plan, so you're going to relate that to your 4-year education plan. Include a personal picture of yourself. Since we're not face-to-face, it's nice to know get an idea of what the person looks like that's giving the presentation. An explanation of why you're majoring in psychology, and a comparison of your reasons to those listed in Chapter 13. Now, it does not have to... When it says explanation of why you're majoring in psychology, you can give the explanation of why you're majoring in whatever you're majoring in. You could be majoring in business. We have lots of different majors in this class. So just the explanation of why you're majoring in what you're majoring. And this doesn't have to be in any order, just as long as you have these elements. Then we're going to create a video. And I made like a little pretend PowerPoint. I'm going to show you kind of what I mean. So I'm going to my slideshow. I made my PowerPoint, and from the beginning I'm recording my PowerPoint. Here I am. I did school counselor since I'm a school counselor. Here's my name, and I'm going to present. Here's my photo. This was me on a trip to Hawaii when I went with my daughter's band. Oh, and make sure that my screencast, you can move it up and down. You want to make sure you get your photo in there. And then you can go on and keep going to your presentation. So I'm Sister Parisi, and this is my photo. And let me see if I can get to my next. And then I am majoring in school counseling. The education it takes to be a school counselor is a master's degree in educational psychology, 600-hour internship hours, state licenses. I'm in Nevada, so I could go over what it requires for a state license, so that kind of thing. So I'm going to end my slideshow and go back to our instructions here. So that's what you need to do with the Screencast-O-Matic. Then, when you're done, you're going to upload it to YouTube. Now you can ask how to upload, it'll ask you to upload it to either Screencast-O-Matic, or you can upload it to YouTube. So if you do that, then that's fine. Upload it to YouTube, and then you can get an embed code when you go to YouTube and embed it into your discussion. So we will, in another video, I'll show you how to embed your YouTube video, but that's what our discussion board is. You making a presentation using Screencast-O-Matic to present it. So if you have any questions, please let your instructor know.